There are a couple of reasons why autumn is such a good time to plant. The first is that the shorter days and cooler temperatures mean that the plant's growth has slowed down a lot, and therefore they're better able to make the transition. The other thing is that the soil temperature is still relatively warm, and that means that once planted, the plant's roots can spread out into that surrounding soil. And we all know the bigger the root system, the more get up and go the plant's going to have in the spring. If you are going to plant in autumn, then there's a couple of golden rules. The first is don't feed it with anything that's going to encourage new top growth. Things like bone meal or mycorrhizal fungi root grow, that's very good because that encourages the roots, and it is all about root growth at this time of the year. Then after you've planted, to tuck them in with a really generous layer of mulch, and again that will just insulate the root ball. And finally, don't think that because it is cooler that you can get away with the watering. They will still need to be kept well watered. So if you haven't got anything in the ground, if there's pots in the garden that need to be planted, then now is a great time to do it before winter sets in and the ground freezes.